Hello to all of my fellow targeted individuals. This is Pearly Gardener from Sydney, Australia. I will update you later on. I just wanted you to all know that I'm doing fine, I'm doing well, and my organized gang stalking is stopped already in 2021. So it's been 4 years ago, guys. So to all of you, if you have Facebook account, you can follow me on Pearly Imbuido Gardener or Pearly or my other account, Pearly Gardener. And to all of the targeted individuals around the world, keep praying and you will always be in my prayer. This is just an update just to let you know that I'm doing fine, I'm doing well, and the organized gang stalking already stopped. And for more details later on, when I have my what you call this one, like notes, I can update you more about it. Thank you guys, and God bless you all. Bye for now.